Hi, I'm Beth from mysimplerlife.com, and this is my action file system. This is the base of any file system. This is where a lot of the mail goes. This makes it so you don't have piles all over the kitchen table, the dining table, the desk. It's a way to keep it organized, yet you can still see it. I put this on my desk so it doesn't get lost in a file drawer. So this is how you make it. Let me take these out. You can get file folders any color, any style. They don't have to be anything fancy, or they can if you like that. The first file is the Take Action file. This is where you put things that you need to do. There's something in here I need to read, an appointment I need to make, and then once a week I have a Take Action day, and I do the stuff that's in this folder. The next is the To Pay folder. This is where all the bills go. If you have a debt reduction planner, this is where that goes. What bills you have to pay can go in here. Now you'll see this one has a labeler label. This one I just wrote on it. Don't get perfectionistic and picky, or you'll never get this done. My labeler needs tape, so I don't even have a labeler at the moment. And here's the taxes to enter. It's tax season right now, so we're getting the mortgage interest statements, W-2s, they all go right in here. The next file folder to create, if you use, none of these you need to create, only if you have things that come in. This is data entry. This is where business cards go. If I have a phone number I want to put in the computer, this is where envelopes from Christmas cards can go, so I can update my Christmas card list. Anything I need to type into the computer goes into the data entry folder. And this folder is waiting for. I only have one thing in it right now, and it's for banks. Someone tried to hack in, and so we are just waiting to make sure that gets taken care of. And once it is, then we can take it out of the waiting for folder. Now, along with the things you need to do that come in with the mail, all of us have projects that we're doing. A lot of times these just end up as piles on the desk as well. So I created some project files. This is health. So it has some health plans or eating plans that I want to work with. I have my blog ideas. Anytime I get an idea, I just toss it in there. Project for the future is a retreat I'm going to create. So any ideas go right in there. And when I talk to host places, they can go in there, all the notes. This is my implement folder. This is magazine articles or articles from the internet that I want to do something with. And so I make sure I put on my calendar or to-do list to implement something, and then I for implement, so I know where to find it. This is a whole little file folder for little projects that aren't huge, but they have papers and I want to do something with them. And this is my Grand Rapids ophthalmology. I'm thinking of getting laser surgery on my eyes, so this is all the information they sent me. And today, as I was sorting my mail, I noticed I got something from Tennessee that I asked for. I'm going to Tennessee this summer, and so I wanted some information. So instead of creating a pile, I'm going to create a file folder. I don't need a fancy file folder because this is only a one-term use. So I'm going to use an old file folder. And I'm going to put it in half like this. And I'm going to write TN on it. Not fancy, just fast. And that can go right in. And so, when I plan the trip to Tennessee, I have all the information there. You may also have folders if your kids are still in school for school, or if your kids are in different activities, a folder for each activity. You'll have different projects that you're working on. So anytime you sort through your mail, if you have a big pile of something, you can put it into a file folder. And this will keep all the papers you are actively working with. This is not for reference. This is not for bank statements or 401k things. This is only for things you are actually using. Once you create your action file, papers will go so much easier and you will lose a lot of the papers. Just make sure you have a system to take care of them so they don't sit in here. So once a week, take care of the take action ones. Twice a month, take care of the bills. Write on your calendar so it comes up regularly, and you'll always be on top of your paper. Thanks. This is Beth from mysimplerlife.com. mysimplerlife.com. Bye.